Investor Pitch Speech, Quantum Speed Robotics, YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone. The future of racing robotics, quantum speed robotics. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for the next big thing in motorsports that will accelerate your investment returns, buckle up. We're about to introduce you to Quantum Speed Robotics, the company that's taking racing from high-octane to high-tech with a YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone, a robot engineered to push the limits for speed, precision, and performance. This is where technology meets the track, and we've got the blueprints for a future that's faster and smarter than ever. Property overview. Let's talk shop for a moment. Quantum Speed Robotics has a 60,000 square foot facility located in the heart of Madripoor's growing industrial hub. Here's a rundown. Net operating income, NOI, $1.5 million. Occupancy rate, 85%, that's right, we're almost full. Think of it as a VIP club that only lets in the best tenants. Capitalization rate, cap rate, 10%, we know you like returns, and we're delivering. Debt service coverage ratio, DSCR, 2.01, in other words, we're making sure we can pay the bills, and then some. Market vacancy rate, 17.3%, while others might be sweating, we're seeing stable demand, a prime spot to make money. Operating expense ratio, 62%, we keep things lean so your investment stays mean. Replacement cost, $6 million, but this isn't just about real estate, this is prime robotics real estate, baby. The asking price, $15 million as steel for an operation with a market value and potential that's off the charts. Why is this an opportunity you can't afford to miss? Because we're not just racing, we're revolutionizing the industry. With the YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone, our robot isn't just fast, it's smarter, safer, and more efficient. We're building next-gen racing technology, and we're doing it with a proven, cost-effective production model that utilizes our tiny tape-out chip design platform. Here's the kicker, we can deliver top-tier technology at a fraction of the cost. Imagine a future where high-performance robots are available to professional racing teams and even emerging leagues without breaking the bank. That's the future we're driving toward. The market opportunity. The motorsports world is rapidly evolving, and racing is no longer just about the fastest car. It's about the smartest technology. And that's where we come in. Here's a taste of the exciting growth ahead. Global racing robotics market growth. The industry is growing 15% annually over the next decade. Revenue potential. We project $200 million in revenue by year 5, tapping into 10% of the competitive racing robotics market. Demand for high-tech racing, from AI-driven performance tracking to autonomous decision-making during races, our product is positioned at the intersection of cutting-edge robotics and the high-speed thrills of motorsport. Let's talk numbers. We're seeking $25 million in Series A funding to help us take quantum speed robotics to the next level. Here's how the funds will be put to work: 50% for manufacturing scaling, expanding our production lines and developing new chips to increase output and performance. 30% for R&D, developing more advanced AI integrations and refining our autonomous driving systems. 20% for market expansion, securing strategic partnerships and launching international distribution channels. Exit strategy. Now, I know you didn't come here for just a thrilling ride, you came for the return on investment. Here's our plan to make sure that's a reality. Acquisition by major motorsport tech providers. Racing is evolving quickly, and our robotic solutions are exactly what big players in the space are looking for. This opens up the potential for a lucrative acquisition as they seek to incorporate our tech into their offerings. IPO. As we scale and position ourselves as the leader in the racing robotics and AI technology sector, we're setting up for a public offering down the road. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, quantum speed robotics is a game changer. The YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone isn't just another high-speed robot, it's a revolution in how racing will be done in the future. With affordable innovation, modular design, and next-level performance, we're offering you an opportunity to get in on the ground floor of something truly special. So, if you're ready to get behind the wheel of the next racing revolution, we'll love for you to join us. Buckle up, the future of motorsports is here, and it's going to be one heck of a ride. Thank you. Introduction, Quantum Speed Robotics. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. Today, I am excited to introduce Quantum Speed Robotics, a disruptive force in the world of motorsport and high-performance robotics. At Quantum Speed Robotics, we are redefining the future of racing technology. Our flagship creation, the YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone, represents the pinnacle of cutting-edge engineering, designed for extreme racing environments where precision and speed are non-negotiable. This robotic powerhouse delivers unmatched acceleration, precision handling, and unstoppable power, enabling racing teams to dominate the track like never before. What makes quantum speed robotics truly unique is our commitment to offering world-class robotics solutions that are modular, customizable, and above all, affordable. We're here to equip racing teams, whether they're established professionals or rising stars, with the advanced technology needed to take their performance to the next level. Market opportunity, the future of motorsport robotics. Now, let's discuss the incredible opportunity we have at hand. The global motorsport and robotics industries are experiencing unprecedented growth, with an annual growth rate projected to reach 15% over the next decade. This rise is driven by the increasing demand for high-performance robots in racing environments, where every second counts and precision is key. Quantum speed robotics is perfectly poised to capture this booming demand, offering a solution that meets the needs of professional racing teams, tech-driven racing leagues, and enthusiasts who are passionate about pushing the limits of technology. These are the innovators, the risk-takers, and the trailblazers who are looking for the next breakthrough in motorsport, and quantum speed robotics is ready to provide it. With our revolutionary robotics systems, we can not only meet but exceed the expectations of racers who demand the highest standards of speed, control, and performance. We have a game-changing product that is ready to dominate this expanding market, and now is the time to be a part of that success. In conclusion, quantum speed robotics is offering you an opportunity to invest in the future of motorsport and robotics. Our cutting-edge technology is perfectly aligned with the growing demand for high-performance robotic systems, and with our innovative solutions, we are ready to lead the charge in the next era of racing. Thank you for considering this incredible opportunity. Let's make history together. Page 2. Value Proposition. The YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone. Welcome, and thank you for your time. Today, I'm proud to introduce you to Quantum Speed Robotics, the pioneers of a new era in motorsport and robotics. Our flagship product, the YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone, is a racing-ready robot designed to dominate the track. But it's not just any robot, it's engineered for high-speed environments and is equipped with precision handling, advanced control systems, and real-time performance feedback. Let's dive into what makes this technology truly revolutionary. Advanced control systems, with state-of-the-art algorithms. The YVR-055 offers unparalleled precision handling in racing conditions. It provides real-time performance feedback, allowing drivers to make dynamic adjustments on the fly. High mobility, designed for extreme durability. The YVR-055 thrives in any racing condition, from tight corners to high-speed straightaways. It's adaptable to the toughest challenges the track can offer. Speed optimization, utilizing integrated AI-powered systems. The YVR-055 improves lap times and tracks performance data, allowing teams to constantly optimize their strategy. Power systems, energy efficiency is key. Our power systems are engineered for sustained performance, ensuring that the robot can operate at peak capacity throughout the race without the risk of power failure. Niche advantage, what sets us apart is our tiny tape-out platform, or our proprietary low-cost chip manufacturing platform. We deliver high-performance robotics at a competitive price point, ensuring that teams can access cutting-edge technology without the heavy cost burden typically associated with high-end robotics solutions. Technology and innovation, tiny tape-out chip builder. Quantum speed robotics is not just about building high-performance robots, so we are redefining the manufacturing process itself. At the core of our innovation is Tiny Tape-Out, our open-source design platform for low-cost digital circuit design and simulation. This platform gives racing teams and engineers the ability to create custom solutions tailored to their needs. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced designer, our web-based schematic editor, empowers you to innovate with ease. Tiny Tape-Out Design Platform, our open-source platform, is a game-changer. It allows for rapid prototyping and custom solutions, ensuring that our technology remains adaptable and forward-thinking in a fast-moving industry. Chip Builder Platform, our cost-effective manufacturing solution, integrates modular, customizable chip designs, optimizing the performance of each robot, all while minimizing costs. This allows us to keep prices competitive while delivering top-tier performance in real-world racing conditions. By combining state-of-the-art robotics with an efficient, open-source design platform, we're not just creating robots, we're creating an entire ecosystem of performance and accessibility for racing teams of all sizes. Quantum speed robotics is truly engineering the future of racing and robotics. We're not just delivering a product, we're delivering a complete racing solution that combines innovation, affordability, and performance at every level. We believe the YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone is not only the next step in high-performance racing technology, but it's also an opportunity to revolutionize the sport itself. Thank you for considering Quantum Speed Robotics as your next investment partner. Together, we will push the limits of what's possible. Page 3. Unique selling points. At Quantum Speed Robotics, we are reshaping the future of motorsport technology with a YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone, a robot designed to not just compete, but to dominate the track. Let's explore what sets us apart. Affordable innovation. We believe high-tech racing solutions should be accessible to everyone. That's why Track Attack Racing offers top-tier robotics at a fraction of the cost of our competitors. Whether you're a professional racing team or an emerging league looking to scale, we deliver cutting-edge technology without the astronomical price tag, democratizing access to high-performance robotics in the racing world. Modular and customizable, the YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It is fully customizable and built with a modular design. Whether it's AI-assisted performance tracking, real-time data sharing, or advanced trace strategy support, you can tailor the system to your specific needs, making it the perfect fit for any racing team's requirements. Next-level performance. The YVR-055 is engineered for more than just speed. It's built to thrive in the harshest competitive environments. Equipped with autonomous decision-making, real-time performance analytics, and redundant systems, the robot guarantees superior performance under pressure. It adapts on the fly, optimizing lap times and race strategy with precision. Competitive advantage. At Quantum Speed Robotics, we don't just compete in the market, we dominate it by leveraging several strategic advantages that ensure we stay ahead of the competition. Cost-effective manufacturing. Through tiny tape-outs, innovative chip technology, we significantly reduce chip manufacturing costs, which allows us to pass the savings on to you. This cost-effective manufacturing process gives us a pricing advantage over our competitors, enabling us to deliver premium quality at competitive prices without compromising on performance. Innovative design process. The YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone doesn't just enter the market and stay stagnant. It's the product of continuous performance testing and iteration, ensuring that it outperforms the competition in real-world racing conditions. With a focus on constant improvement, we ensure that every new iteration of our technology stays ahead of the curve. Scalable production. Our pop-up engineers model is another key competitive advantage. This model allows us to rapidly scale production to meet rising demand. Whether you need a single robot or an entire fleet, we can quickly adjust and deliver the necessary units, all while maintaining the highest quality standards. This scalability ensures that we can accommodate growing markets and demand without sacrificing performance or cost efficiency. In short, Quantum Speed Robotics isn't just offering a product, we're offering a complete solution to the next generation of motorsport, with affordable, customizable, and scalable technology that is built to perform at the highest level. Our combination of cost-effective manufacturing, innovative design, and scalable production gives us a clear competitive edge, and we are poised to revolutionize the racing industry. Thank you for considering Quantum Speed Robotics. We look forward to racing into the future with you. Page 4. Financials and market projections. At Quantum Speed Robotics, our financial model is built on scalable, high-margin revenue streams designed to fuel long-term growth and profitability. Here's how we plan to drive financial success. Revenue model. Our primary revenue stream comes from direct sales to racing teams, motorsport leagues, and performance optimization companies. Additionally, we are opening up significant licensing and partnership opportunities with racing series, teams, and tech providers, which will allow us to capture additional revenue from ongoing collaborations. Market projections. The competitive racing robotics market is poised for rapid expansion. We estimate that Quantum Speed Robotics will capture 10% of the market within the next 5 years, thanks to our innovative solutions and affordable pricing. By year 5, we project $200 million in revenue, driven by strategic partnerships, international expansion, and increasing demand for high-performance robotics in racing environments. Investment needed. To realize these projections, we are seeking $25 million in series A funding. This capital will allow us to scale production, enhance our research and development efforts, and expand our market presence. With your investment, we will be able to accelerate our growth and capture a significant share of the rapidly growing market. Use of funds. We are committed to using these funds efficiently to achieve our milestones. 50% of the funds will go towards scaling our manufacturing infrastructure, including the development of advanced production lines and the next phase of chip development through our tiny tape-out platform. This investment will allow us to increase production capacity while maintaining high-quality standards and keeping costs low. 30% will be dedicated to R&D, specifically enhancing our AI integration, advanced performance tracking systems, and autonomous driving capabilities. These technological advancements will ensure our robots maintain a competitive edge in the marketplace and continue to deliver next-level performance. 20% of the funding will be allocated to expanding our market reach. This includes building strategic partnerships, launching international distribution channels, and ramping up marketing efforts to position Quantum Speed Robotics as the leader in the competitive racing robotics market. In summary, Quantum Speed Robotics offers a high-growth opportunity with an innovative product that is poised to disrupt the motorsport and robotics industries. Our scalable revenue model, combined with our strategic market projections and use of funds, ensures that we are well positioned to capture significant market share and deliver exceptional returns to our investors. Thank you for considering joining us on this exciting journey into the future of racing technology. Page 5. Investor Pitch Speech. Quantum Speed Robotics, YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone. Exit Strategy. As we continue to scale and establish ourselves as a leader in racing robotics, our exit strategy is designed to maximize value for our investors while positioning Quantum Speed Robotics for sustained growth. Acquisition by major motorsport tech providers. Given the rapid evolution of the motorsport and tech industries, we see a high potential for acquisition by major motorsport tech firms. These companies would benefit from integrating Quantum Speed Robotics' cutting-edge technology into their racing solutions, further solidifying their leadership in the market. This could provide a lucrative exit opportunity as these firms seek to enhance their portfolios with next-generation racing robotics. Initial public offering, IPO. In the long term, we envision an IPO that would position Quantum Speed Robotics as a dominant player in the racing robotics and AI technology sectors. By expanding internationally and building a global brand, we aim to increase the company's visibility and attractiveness to investors, making a public offering the logical next step to propel us to the next phase of growth. Conclusion. In conclusion, Quantum Speed Robotics is not just creating products, we are reshaping the future of competitive racing technology. With the YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone, we are set to revolutionize motorsports, offering racing teams the ultimate competitive advantage through high-performance, customizable robotics that drive precision, agility, and speed. By investing in Quantum Speed Robotics, you are investing in the future of racing technology. Together, we will set the stage for the next generation of motorsport excellence. Join us as we push the boundaries of what's possible in racing and create robotic solutions that will change the game forever.